My name is Mark Löde. I'm a curator. I'm the curator of In Between Structures here at Summer Hall, this year's exhibition in the context of Fringe Festival. I'm a curator since mid-90s. Mainly I was working with experimental film series, but I also curated a lot of exhibitions. I'm based in Berlin, but also have been working abroad in Asia, North America and Europe. So it was really nice to have the chance here at Summer Hall to do an exhibition on Tadeusz Kantor in collaboration with the Polish Institute. The whole project started around about a year ago when I was doing an exhibition in Berlin for the Polish Institute there, and they asked me if I would like to do another exhibition in the next year, which was not clear what kind of topic it was, and I suggested we should focus on Tadeusz Kantor because it's his 100th anniversary this year, or would have been because he died in 1990. So they really liked the idea to come up with a smaller exhibition and to collaborate with that in the Polish Institute in London. We are focusing on a period of Kantor's work which is not so well known maybe in Europe. He's mainly known as one of the most important theater persons from Poland and in Europe from the 60s onwards. He was also a well-known painter and did a lot of drawings. And what is very rarely known is that he was also involved in filmmaking, which was a kind of discovery when we started working on this exhibition, because a very long-lost film that he made in 1957, and which got an honorable mention at the Venice Film Festival in 1958, has been found again in Venice at the archives, and we had a chance to include it in the exhibition. The show is called In Between Structures, so he was not exclusively working for the theater, but he had also a clear focus on drawing, painting, doing performances, doing film, working with photography, like using collage as a means of expression. That's not random, that's important to understand. It's not really like going from one point to another and just randomly choosing a kind of form. There was a very clear decision from his side to use this means for this work that he was about to do. So bringing all this kind of subjects together, or like forms that he was working with, that was the main idea for this exhibition, to bring this together and show how multi-layered his work is and how influential actually he became in a lot of ways, not just only to the Polish art scene, but also as a kind of unique position in the European context.